Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this lecture is very important, and this is a case of a roller bearing, and this body is perfect drawing here, and today drafting is also available here. This is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a top view, and this body is isometric view, and this is a case of roller bearing. And this roller bearing project is all part is assemble here, and this is a final product is design here, and all dimension in millimeter. Okay, and this is a perfect project, and this body and this project is also a beginner student is very important. Okay, let's start here. This body's design. This body's design and how to this body's design easily and clearly today discuss here. And this body is looking perfect, and material is apply here a brush material. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a very nice looking here, and back side is also perfect. Okay, and isometric view is also better. Okay, and let's start here. This body's design. Some setting is very important, and going to this at first select this plain white, and this is option is a click here, and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, and this is a this is a front view is very nice because all a large dimension is showing here this, and okay, at first select a reference line, and then use this distance is 16.23 millimeter, and this is a 27.5 millimeter, and this radius is this, and this is a diameter is this, and this 1.3 is a offset here, and this angle is this, and this is a 3.5 millimeter, and this 2 is a both is fillet is used here, and this is a cutout is dimension. Okay, at first select a plane, a front plane, and reference line is a drawing here this. Okay, and drawing this drawing a simple geometry, drawing a line, and this line is a this. Okay, and dimension is this point to this is a 27.5 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 3.5 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 16.23 millimeter. Okay, and this angle is a 102.78 millimeter 8 degree. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and all dimension this is a distance is 3.5 millimeter, and this is a 16.23 millimeter, and this angle is 102.78 degree, and this is a offset here. At first going to this fillet is used here. This fillet 1 millimeter is this. Okay, okay, and offset is a select here this offset, and this line is this offset. Okay, offset is this line is select here, and this is a 1.33, and this is a reverse direction. Okay, all is perfect and correct. The 1.33 millimeter is this, and connect to this line, connect to this line to this, and again this line to this line to this. Okay, and trim entity is apply at this. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and again select a fillet is used here one, and this is a select a this. Okay, select a both line, and this is a perfect. Okay, okay, and all is mentioned here this to this. Okay, all is better and perfect. Okay, all is a black color, means this is a fully defined, and all is perfect and correct. And going to this revolve boss base and select this. Okay, this body is a drawing here, and apply a sum cutout, and then again select a front plane, sketch normal, and select this corner line, this edge select here, and this is a ops, this is a convert entities. Okay, and this is a also for a construction, because this is user and exit. And going to this plane, a plane is selected a front plane. Okay, and again select this line. Okay, this reference line is very important. And okay, select this plane and sketch normal. Okay, drawing a center line is this connect to this. Okay, and use a corner rectangle is a drawing here, and this corner rectangle is a select this use a make symmetric. Okay, this line and both line is a symmetric, and dimension is this is a 2.35 millimeter, and this is a length is a 12.35 millimeter, and width is a 7 millimeter, and this distance is a okay, select this point to this is a 2.35 millimeter, and this length is a 12.35 millimeter, and this distance is a 7 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect and correct. This is a better and perfect. Okay, all is for this line and this line to this line is a symmetric. Okay, and perfect. Okay, and this is a delete here. Because this point to this is a okay normal. Okay, this point to okay this is a normal. Select this point to this. Okay, and this use select this and use this point to this point is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, 2.35 millimeter or the and okay, and mention here this okay, and this line is a perfect line at this point, and this is a okay. Okay, and this cutout is a very important, and okay, all is perfect. And this line is a horizontal line. Okay, and this cutout is very important, and okay, all is perfect. 2.35 and 12.5, 35 and 7, but this point is a this distance is a this delete here. Select this line to this point. Okay, and okay, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a 10 millimeter is this okay, because all is hide, this is a hide. Okay, and this plane is hide, and this line is also hide. This is a hide here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and again use a select a pattern is this circular pattern, and select this extrude cut, and select this face, and 360-degree angle pattern is 8 and equal spacing, and all is perfect. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and very nice looking here. And okay, and material is apply here a polished brush, and this is a perfect. Okay, all point is perfect and correct, and this body is drawing here easily, and isometric view is this okay. And guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this body is designed, and this is a 2D drafting is available here, and this threads details is also available here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And today discuss here a very important this nozzle pipe design is discussed here, and all dimension is clear here easily and clearly. Okay, and this body is a nozzle pipe design, and all is a body is looking perfect and correct, and this is a looking so nice here. And this is a all is perfect, and all gap is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is okay. And this body is designed how to easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, at first select a part, and some point is very important, and use a plain white, and some setting is also. Image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and next is this is a perfect geometry is defined, and this length is 18 millimeter, and draw a circle is 3.6 millimeter, and this gap is 3 millimeter, and this length, full length is 10 millimeter, but half length is diameter is 5 millimeter. Okay, and at first select a plane. Plane is right, plane is perfect, and some for reference geometry is a drawing here, but use only reference. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a horizontal, and draw a center point arc, and the center point arc is this is okay, this point this drawing this this is a perfect, and connect to this. Okay, but also use for construction geometry, but this is use a reference point, and some. Okay, this distance between this point to this is 18 millimeter, and this diameter, this is a radius is okay, this radius is 3.6. Okay, this is a perfect, and again drawing a small circle, and this circle is drawing this, and this diameter is okay, this diameter is 2.8. okay, this is diameter is 2.8, and also use a construction. Okay, this use also use for use a construction. Okay, this is a perfect, and some line is drawing here. Select a line. Line is this drawing this to this is a drawing here, and use this, and this line is this. Okay, this line is a taper, not horizontal, but this line is a taper line because some angle is defined here. And next point is this is a perfect, and some use a okay, okay, and this is a some use this is a radius, drawing a this and circle, and this line is a this line is this, and some line is taper, and this line is also connect to this, but this line is some use this, and this line is also this, and use connect to this point is this. Okay, and some use this line to this line is okay, this line is use a collinear and connect a center line, this line to this point to connect here, and this line to this line is also collinear. This line is a vertical is perfect. Okay, and next is use this line okay, and some use okay, this line is use here and connect to this, and this is some taper line, and use this connect to this, and connect to this line to this. Okay, and connect to this is a perfect. And this distance is a 1.2, this point to this distance is 1.2, is perfect. And next is use some angle is this line to this is angle is 26 degree. Okay, and this angle is distance is a 60 degree angle. Okay, because this is a 26 degree angle is this, and 1.2 is distance, and this is a 60 degree angle, and this diameter is a 2.6, and this radius is 3.6. This is a 3.6 and 2.6. Okay, all is perfect. And next point is okay, this is a perfect. And use this is and this distance is 3 millimeter. Okay, and this point to this distance is 5 millimeter. Okay, and this is this radius is 0.8. This radius is 0.5 millimeter, and this is a 0.8 millimeter. Okay, this is a 0.8 millimeter, and this is a 0.5 millimeter. This is a 0.8, and also this is a point sorry, 0.5 5. Next is a okay, so nice. And some point is very useful, and this point, and press a control button, and this is a okay, this is a vertical line, and this point and this okay, and this point, and press a control button, and this center point is a horizontal line, and this is a very important. Okay, okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, and next is a this is a use a angle is this to this is a 135, and okay, and this is a collinear is perfect, and some distance. Okay, this distance is a 6, this center point, and this distance is a 6 millimeter. Okay, and next is a some point is this, and this circle is a 1.5, this is a 1.6, and distance is a 1.5, this to this distance is a 1.6, 1.5 is better, and this is a perfect. And next is a, and this point to this point is distance is a 8 millimeter, and this point to this distance is a 12 millimeter. Okay, and next is a this distance is a distance is 11.8. Okay, this is a perfect. Next is a, and next is a some use a this is a use this point is a select here, and use this point to this line, and this distance is a 5.9. Okay, and okay, and this is a perfect, and this point and this line is also use a this is a use a default value, and this point is a tangent is also okay. And this point is also tangent, okay. And next is okay, one point is missing here, and one point is use this point is 1.5. okay, all is fully defined, and this is perfect, all is correct. And this is fully defined, and all okay. And all dimension is okay. Okay, and next, okay, all point is perfect, and all this is all geometry is fully defined, and this is perfect and correct. Okay, all is one by one is all point is correct. And next is use a revolve boss and select this, select okay. Okay, and next is this revolve boss base is delete here, and some value is edit here, and okay. But this point is this is the 12, and use this okay, and this use a 10, and use also 7, and this point is a 0.75. okay, this is a not use a, and use a 10, and use a 7, and this is a perfect, and use a revolve boss, and okay. Okay, this is a perfect, okay, this is a very nice looking here. And next, this face, select sketch, normal, and click a hexagon, and select this, connect to this center point. Okay, and this is a line is a horizontal line, and mention this dimension, but this dimension is not used because this is a connect here, and this all dimension, this dimension is perfect, 11.8. okay, and some extrude cut is apply here, and extrude cut is a okay, extrude cut is a this face, select this face, okay, and some use a extrude cut of flip side to cut, click OK, Okay, this is a perfect. But and some use a this is a 11.11 11 is better, and this is a 7.5. Click OK. And extrude cut is a this is a 8.5. Okay, through all is better, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect. And okay, and some use a fillet chamfer is used here, and one is perfect, and this is a this, and click OK. And next use a thread is user this. Okay, and this is use a 8mm, and use a offset is 2mm, flip side, and use a 6/7. Okay, metric to die, and use a this is a perfect. And select the sketch of convert entities, and use a extrude cut, and click OK. This is a perfect and correct. And some color is used here, and this color is a this. And OK. Okay, this length is a increase, and some use a okay, this sketch drawing here normal, and this length is a some 20 is perfect, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a better. And also this thread is used here, and click this thread, and this is a 9mm is perfect, and 8.5 is better. 8.5 is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here and perfect. And okay, all is looking perfect and correct. Okay guys, this is a finally drawing here. Nozzle pipe is designed, and guys, I hope you will learn all this process is easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.